Welcome to an exclusive Audi world premiere. We are coming to you right from the heart of Audi, and we have an entire show packed with highlights waiting for you in the next couple of minutes. Now, over the last year, Audi has launched over 20 new models, and today it's time for some more special members to join the family. The Audi A3 and the prototype of the Audi e-tron S are waiting for you. Ready for the action? Yes? Let's get right to it. So here it is, the all-new Audi A3 Sportback. Very stylish. I really like the fresh design. And if you look at it, you clearly see, yes, it's an Audi. The front with the matrix LED headlights and the specific light signature. I also really like the new architecture of the flank. But the new design is not the only new highlight, right, Hildegard?
No, of course not. I mean, this car also has a lot of inner values. So, for example, there is a lot of innovation in there that you usually know from the luxury class, which is now presented in the A3 for the first time. But then if you look into connectivity, you know, this is so important for our customers. Of course, the A3 comes all connected, seamlessly connected. And we're also using car-to-X communication. So you can connect your car and sends data and receives data from the environment, which, for example, is important when you look for a parking space. But then if you look, you know that sustainability is really important for us at Audi. And we have, of course, electrification. The TFSI has already the mild hybrid in there. And we're also offering the A3 as a plug-in hybrid with even 2 different power levels. But you know, sustainability is not just a question of the electrification. We are also doing sustainability ideas in the interior concept. So the A3 for the first time shows that the upholstery, for example, is made out of recycled PET bottles, which I think is a great concept.
Wow, that's a great feature and a really nice approach. Thank you, Hildegard. Actually, that is also one of my highlights. That's why I'm very excited for the second reveal of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelts. I am really a fan of both prototypes, the Audi e-tron S and the e-tron S Sportback. Now they both look very powerful, and to find out whether they really are as powerful as they look, we should speak to someone who should know, because he has already driven them. Let's have a chat with Mr. e-tron Extreme, Matthias Ekström. Hi Matthias, you have already climbed the Mausefalle in Kitzbühel in an e-tron. But now we even took it one step further. We just saw those spectacular clips from the racetrack, and we want to know from you, how does it really feel to drive an e-tron S?
Yeah, as you just mentioned, I've been climbing the Mausefalle. That was cool on snow and ice, but today I had my first lap on a real racetrack. I got it more than once, really sideways, and it made a lot of fun.
Wow, that really looked like you had a lot of fun. Tell me, how do e-tron power and the new Quattro work together? Like, how does this technology work?
Well, you have 3 electronical engines, and then you would say that's the modern way of Quattro. And then there's a fantastic software. So once I drive, I can feel you can get the drift angles a bit like you wish, and the car stays very stable. I'm sure the software guys have made a very good job.
Thank you, Matthias, for these insights. Keep on drifting, and I'll see you soon.